I'm Big Daddy T. We're going to season up our chicken and get everything going and get everything ready for this barbecue. So with the chicken, we're going to start off. We're going to shake on a little bit of garlic powder. Get it in there nice. A little bit of your favorite Cajun seasoning. Give it that little kick. A little poultry seasoning. Some salt. Now you do all this to taste. I don't measure much. And your favorite little bit of your favorite hot sauce. And just mix it all together. Make sure every piece gets coated with it. And we're gonna set that off to the side. Let that marinate a few minutes. Look at that, look good, don't it? It's gonna be so good, it's gonna slap your mama. We got us some country style pork ribs. Gonna lay them out. Get them ready. Wash hands again. A little salt. A bit of our favorite Cajun seasoning on there. Garlic powder. And we're gonna flip them and do the other side. Right down. Woo. Gonna make this good right now. Do the same thing to the other side. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. A little garlic powder. And of course, got to have that little bit of kick. We're gonna take it out to the grill and throw it on. Our grill's nice and hot. Of course, we got to have the adult beverage. We get this meat thrown on here and get the lid put on. Get this cooking. This is gonna be good. Oh, I wish you could smell this chicken, cause whew, it smells good before we even start cooking. Get this going on here, so we can get this lid back on this bad boy, and let her go. We got that. See if we can get us a few of these ribs up on there. Oh yeah, everything gonna fit. I think. There it go. Oh yeah, we got that good. Alright, now we're gonna put that lid on and let that thing start cooking. That's good right there. Little piece of this chicken.
Oh, I'm gonna do that little piece.
That's good right there. Wash that down a little bit. I'd like to thank you for hanging with Big T. Till next time. Peace.